Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can call Amazon customer care on their app. So firstly, open up the Amazon application, then click on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner, then just simply scroll down and click on customer service. Now over here it will show you all of the orders that you have. Then just simply scroll down and over there you will find two options, chat with us and talk with us. What you have to do is just simply choose talk with us. Now over here you will find all of the orders that is placed currently on your account. So just simply choose any one of them. Now over here you will be given few options from which you have to pick for what reason you're trying to call customer service. So for example, let's go with the refunds. Then let's choose my refund is delayed. Now over here, as you can see, you will find the option called continue to customer service. Just simply click on that. Now over here you will find your phone number in which the customer care will call you, and above that you will find all the language you can get the call from. So if you want to change the number, you can change it right over here. And after entering your number in which you want to receive the call, simply enter that number, then click on call me now. Now within a few seconds, you will receive a call from Amazon Service Center. So as you can see now, I just received a call from Amazon Service Center. So after you pick this call up, there will be a slight computer process. Just simply choose which issue you want to get resolved, and then you will be connected to a live person. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.